So guys, this is the pad thai shrimp or pad thai gung.
Hi guys, andito ko ngayon sa pinaka-paborito kong Thai restaurant dito sa Phuket Old Town, ang Tortoy To. So yan guys, nag-order ako ng isa sa pinaka-paborito kong noodle dito sa Thailand, ang Pad Thai Gung or Pad Thai with shrimp, and also their Thai milk tea, Thai iced black tea, or they call it Cha Dam. Yan. So ipapakita ko sa inyo ang traditional Thai noodle dito sa Thailand guys. Yan. So guys, ayan, ang daming mga customer, ang daming turista ngayon dito sa Phuket Old Town. Yan, dito to sa Lajai Market during Sunday. And of course, dumating ng ating order na Pad Thai, one of the popular Thai noodle dito sa Thailand, guys. Pad Thai shrimp or Pad Thai gung. Yan. So kita nyo pa lang talagang katakam-takam na ang itsura pa lang ng Pad Thai noodle. Yan, meron siyang bean sprout, peanut, and then also some Chinese chive and lemon. Yan. Nasa sa inyo yan kung gusto nyong maasim yan, lagyan nyo ng ng lemon. So ito yung itsura ng kanilang Pad Thai shrimp guys. You can try here whenever you're here in Thailand. Very popular to guys, Pad Thai noodle guys. And this is their Thai iced black tea or Cha Dam guys. Let us taste their Thai iced black tea or Cha Dam guys. As usual, ang daming yellow guys. Only in Thailand. At it's sweet. Matamis siya guys. Pero masarap. Try nyo to guys. Very healthy kasi Thai black tea to guys. Cha Dam. And their Pad Thai.
Yan siya guys, oh. May hipon pa siya. So guys, this is the Pad Thai shrimp or Pad Thai gung. It has tofu, bean sprout, peanut, and the Thai noodle, rice noodle to guys.
Masarap to guys, masarap. Maasim. Sarap ito. Tofu. Sarap. Shrimp. Pad Thai. Sarap. In fairness, masarap yung nila, Pad Thai Aroy. So delicious guys. You have to try this one. Pad Thai Gung or Pad Thai shrimp. Cha Dam. Yeah, the cost of this Pad Thai costs 120 baht. And this one, Cha Dam 30 baht. But some other places in here in Phuket, Pad Thai costs 60 baht. But because we are here in Phuket Old Town, yeah, it's cost a bit expensive, but it's good. So it's good. Sarap. Try this whenever you're here in Thailand, guys. Pad Thai Gung or Pad Thai Shrimp. You can also order this with Pad Thai pork, Pad Thai chicken. Yeah. But I suggest you have to try Pad Thai Shrimp. Very good. Very delicious. Or Pad Thai seafood, guys. By the way, Pad Thai noodle is made with tamarind sauce. So guys, if I have to rate their pad thai 10 over 10, 10. Masarap siya, guys. As is. Aroy mak, aroy makmak. Aroy mak, kaya nan eng. Bye!